Welcome to Old Friends and New Roads. My name's Keith. So it's Saturday. Yesterday was absolutely beautiful. Today is overcast. Roads are kind of wet right now, but it's supposed to be dry. So I'm gonna do what we used to do back in the day, and I'm gonna go for a ride. I'm gonna try something new today. I won't tell you what it is right now in case it doesn't work out. Don't really know where I'm headed. I was thinking Detroit. Maybe see how far up 20 I can get. Or is it 22? I don't know. I just know the way they look. So check the tire pressure on my bike before I go. I neglected to put the bike on the tender last time, so here's hoping it starts. I always run 40 pounds in the back, 36 pounds up front. That was pretty good. I bought this little pump. First thing I bought when we were collecting our stuff to do our first ever motorcycle camping trip. Maybe that was 12 years ago, maybe even longer, who knows, but for those of you that like this sort of thing, there you go. Yep. $5 a gallon for premium. That's nuts. My other car is an electric vehicle, so I haven't been to the gas station for a while. See what all the hype is now. Also makes me glad I don't have my Cadillac anymore. 25-gallon tank. 23 bucks.
In the smoky light and in the rain, working through the night and through the haze, you lay it down each day with heavy eyes, just to wake again, just as tired. So may every morning find the mercy new, and light enough to shine upon the fallow fields. I can see your heart beneath the dirt. You put your weary hands into the work. heartbeat and a breath to plant the seed. So may every morning find the mercy new, and lighting up to shine upon the fallow fields. So may every blossom break into the day. Up from underneath the gravel and the clay. Lift your eyes and see above the leaves, above the war-torn dreams. I am here, so put your hand in mine. You're not alone. I'll be by your side.
Got some neat. Stop by Detroit Lake to have a look. Just a beautiful day today. Just really lucky today. Temperatures are good. Even got some sunshine out. You know, getting out by yourself is really nice, but I am missing the gang. Riding today has just been incredible. You know, this valley was devastated a few years ago by fires. Driving through today, it just people were rebuilding. You know, businesses were open and had fresh faces on them, and everybody just looked really happy. It was really cool, really nice ride out today.